In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide text in your document. Whether you're working with sensitive information or just want to clean up your workspace, knowing how to hide text can be incredibly useful. This simple process only takes a few steps, and in just a moment, you'll be able to seamlessly navigate your document without certain text being visible. First, you'll need to start by selecting the text that you want to hide. The selection process is straightforward. Just use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the portion of text you want to conceal. This can be a word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even larger blocks of text, depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, head over to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your document window. You'll notice several groups of commands here, conveniently organized for ease of access. Our focus will be in the font group, which is where the magic happens when it comes to formatting your text. Now, in the font group, keep an eye out for a small arrow icon. It can be found in the bottom right corner of this section. Clicking on this arrow will open up the font dialog box, which offers a wider range of text formatting options than what you typically see on the main ribbon. Once the dialog box pops up, your attention should be directed to the Effects section. Within this area, you'll see a variety of text effect options, including the one we're interested in today, a checkbox labeled Hidden. By checking this box, you're telling the software to make the selected text invisible. Click on this checkbox to select the Hidden option. After you've checked the box labeled Hidden, go ahead and click OK to confirm your selection and close the dialog box. At this point, you'll notice that your highlighted text has disappeared from view. It's a neat little trick, as the text is no longer visible in the document, yet rest assured, it's still there. This means your information is just a few clicks away from being viewable again if you ever need to reveal it in the future. Hiding text is a powerful tool that can be particularly handy when preparing documents for presentation, ensuring sensitive data is kept out of sight, or even for making notes visible only to you. Remember, it's a reversible procedure, so you have complete control over when and where your hidden text reappears. And that's it. You've just learned how to hide text in your document with ease. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in managing your projects more effectively. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips and tricks.